Hello, my name is Nikima and we are SpainHomes. Today I am in the stunning location of Bol Nou, which is located in Vila Joiosa. This is a coastal, beautiful town which is in the province of Alicante, Spain. I am set around looking at the sea, the pine forests, and knowing that I'm in a place that's rich in history that goes all the way back to the Bronze Age. This gorgeous house offers 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, is on a plot of 100 meters squared and is beautiful, spectacular. Let's go and have a look. In. So as you come through the front door entrance, this is a security door, and to my left you have the storage for your boiler and also a laundry room where you would have your washing machine and dryer. As we're going through into the main body of the house, you are also on the same side of the house there with a powder room, guest toilet. It has been fully equipped with toilet, vanity, shower and illuminated mirror. As you come into the main living space, this is a bright open plan feel. It has been designed with modern contemporary finishes. The house itself is 100 meters squared with the terraces and 77 meters squared without the terraces. You also have an upstairs solarium. The lounge and dining kitchen space is 32 meters squared. It offers fantastic sight lines all the way from the front to the rear, and you also have a wonderful lot of space and light coming in with these floor to ceiling windows that come out onto a beautiful view, giving you the pine trees, forests and that beautiful coastline just over there. So with the lounge and the dining area, it's actually rather spacious. Again, with the dining space you can fit quite happily 6 to dine. It comes with beautiful finishes throughout. You have underfloor heating and light granite flooring all the way through. As you come into the kitchen, it is sleek with light coloured finishes. You have an island here, which is where you would wash and use your sink. You also have a great cooking range, which is ERS or Siemens. You have other appliances which are hidden as well. That's your fridge and also your dishwasher, along with lots of storage space. As you overlook to my right, you can see that there is the hob for your cooking island, and directly above it you have your extractor fan. A nice colour scheme going on with the kitchen as well. And in this space you have access to your security intercom system. It is completely climate controlled throughout, and you also have underfloor heating. There is also electric shutters if you do want to block out the light for those big large doors, and you have that throughout as well. Taking you to bedroom number 1, and this bedroom is to the left of the lounge, dining and kitchen space, so very easy to access. It is a great space. It offers 10 meters squared, and you have large windows that can let in plenty of light. You also have an integrated wardrobe that gives you great storage space for your clothes and personal belongings. Coming out of bedroom number 1, I'm going to take you to the master. So as we go through the little hall, and the master is, again, immediately you're invited to that bright light that just fills the room. It has great modern finishes. The same floor integrated throughout is, again, 10 meters squared, has integrated wardrobes for storage, and a great door that takes you out onto that wonderful terrace. And this terrace also adjoins your lounge. What I love about this outdoor terrace is you can have a great amount of space if you're wanting to have it for lounging and outdoor dining. You have captivating, stunning views, even a beautiful landscape of other styled houses. So you've got traditional Moorish style houses, and then you've got more contemporary, modern, innovative penthouses and townhouses to look at. Under here, I've noticed as well that there is an automatic and electric pergola system. So for the sides and also above you, you can control how much sunshine hits this terrace. And you'll find as well that if you do feel like changing it in the moment manually, there is also, you know, the lever system to be able to do that. It's a lovely space for you to have the option, because also it sometimes gets quite windy, and so you can control the wind coming into the terrace as well with the pergola. So just a few minutes away from where we have just showed you those beautiful houses, right here in Vila Joiosa, you also have this gorgeous beach. It is Bol Nou beach, and it is literally a golden sandy beach. It spans about 1.2 kilometers long and is also very wide. It gives you great views of the coastline, as well as just appreciating all of the water sports that you can really take advantage of right here on this beach. You're very likely to see paddleboarding, windsurfing, diving, snorkeling, because there's so much marine life here also to discover. So yes, as we approach summer, it's going to be very hot. We're going to get very scorching. So you're going to have to come on into the water with us and cool down. Hi, so here I am in another apartment that is in the same urbanisation, the same residential complex, and this one also offers 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. So as you come in through the main entrance, there is a guest bathroom or powder room that comes fully equipped with a shower, toilet, vanity and illuminated mirror. On this wall here, you will find you have your intercom security system and your centralized air conditioning system, which runs throughout. As we look here as well, you can see there's a little stairwell. This apartment is slightly different in that it has a lower floor, and again it mirrors the same square meter space that you have on this floor, which is 100 meters, including terraces. So I'm going to take you into the main living area, and this is an open plan kitchen, dining room and living room space, 35 meters squared, giving you lots of light. It's bright in modern in design, and it has been fitted with underfloor heating, integrated beautiful granite tiles on the floor throughout, and floor to ceiling panoramic doors that lead out onto a very spacious balcony and terrace. As I come round this open plan living area, the kitchen again has been installed with high-end appliances. You have Siemens as your cooking range, and you also to the left have a great kitchen hob This also is overlooking the island, the central island, which is a great place for having your breakfast and your morning coffee as you look out at that gorgeous view. So I'm going to go to this side of the house. So as I go right, I am walking towards bedroom number 1. And bedroom number 1 again comes with a reasonably good amount of space, 10 meters squared. It has integrated wardrobes, centralized air conditioning, climate control system, underfloor heating, and beautiful views of the scenery. Going through the hall, I am going to take you into the master suite. And so in the master bedroom, you have a lot more space actually. This room is 12 meters squared. It comes with, again, integrated wardrobes, plenty of space, and its own windows and door that slides out and allows you access to that great terrace. It's kind of got a wraparound feel, that terrace, so it is a little bit different in that sense. And then that is also overlooked by a great ensuite bathroom that is equipped with a shower, toilet, vanity, sink, and illuminated mirror. So this is what I call one of the most tranquil locations known to mankind. It is perfect for me. It has the pebble beaches. You are surrounded by this picturesque landscape of cliffs and rocks. And you can see on top of some of these cliffs, you've got beautiful moorish houses with the dome-topped roofs. You've also got turquoise sea as far as the eye can see. I love this location as well because you can explore lots of different coves in and around this region of Villajoyosa. It is a town that is rich and vibrant with history and culture. And this is a really peaceful place to live that coastal life, to have that, what you call, decadent simplicity to your day-to-day. It has fantastic facilities. Parking is very easy and great. You also have lots of water facilities. Just a very beautiful. So additional information about the house. Let's get to the nitty-gritty. The apartment is actually either single story or 2-story. So you have the option of it being 100 meters squared as 1 story, or if you wanted to go to have a solarium, you have the additional extra same square meter space on the top floor. I would say that this is a beautiful location. It is absolutely stunning. It really does feel like you live by the coast. So the EB is 400 to 500 euros approximately per year. The community fee is 120 euros per month, and the waste bin refuse collection service is 120 euros per year. If you are interested in this house, and if you would like any more information in relation to any of the properties that we show you, please go to SpainHomes.estate. We are happy to help with any queries that you may have. And yeah, I hope that you like and subscribe this video, and I will no doubt see you next time. Bye. So just a few minutes away.
Same. Wait. When I make this.
He says clap, you say this.